Hello everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. From now on, in every tutorial video, I'm not only going to talk about the technical background, I'm also going to talk about the emotional background of a certain technique and a certain song. Why is it so important? Well, when we learn to sing, what I see, especially lately, that we spend so much time on the technique, but we forget the emotions and we forget to enjoy what we do. And sometimes when we learn a song, when we learn a technique, the progress is going, but at some point it's just like stops. And it feels like it stopped, but it never stops. But we need to move forward, we need to make another step. And this step is actually opening up. And I know this is actually not easy, because showing emotions or expressing emotions make us vulnerable. And it's sometimes it's hard to show emotions. But this is singing, this is music. It's not rocket science. When you sing, you express an emotion. You express your soul, you express your deepest pain or sorrow or anger or happiness. And this is how you can actually become an amazing singer. It's technique and emotions coming together. Technique is something that gets the attention of the audience. But if you touch the audience, that's how you can create an eternal bond with them. There are singers like that. For example, when I hear Dio, Ronnie James Dio, the first time I heard him, I knew I'm gonna, whatever he sings or he speaks or whatever, I'm gonna listen that because he touched me. I'm not gonna say that it's you can sing without the technique. We need both. We learn the technique, but when you feel like that, for some reason, it just nothing happens and it feels like that I can't move on with the technique or it just doesn't work. It's not because the lack of technique, it's because the lack of emotion that you cannot attach. You need to open up and you need to let go. And you need to feel that it's safe to feel. It happens many times. My students sing something almost perfectly, I would say. Technique is there. They know how to do it. They have all the tools. But I don't believe them. When they sing a song, I don't believe them. Because sing it, la la la. But what happens with the emotions? What happens with my heart or with your heart? Like, make me believe that you are in pain. Make me believe that you want to move on, you want to let go, you want to let it out. The audience is going to follow you if they can feel you, if they can relate with you, if they can relate with the songs, with the emotions, with the lyrics, what you feel or what you talk about. How many times it happened that you listened your favorite singer and you were like crying on the concert? It's not because it was his amazing technique, it's because he or she touched you. You felt what they felt. You were like, oh my God, I know that feeling that happened to me. And he feels or she feels the same. That's why you want to listen over and over again. So we cannot put the emotional background away and focusing on the techniques. No, both. We need both.